Hey, before we start this video, just wanted to say, had a pretty stuffy nose recently because of allergies and shit. Summertime, been playing outside a lot. So, sorry if I might sound a little bit different, but what's going on with this tutorial? Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for block game NPCs. Today we'll be going over flag values, how to do all types of shit with that. This is a lot different from the usual content I upload, so if you don't like this, get out. It's for a block game, not Apex Legends. Any program I will be using is going to be created in the description. This, what's on screen right now, is called Unturned NPC Maker. It's by a very nice Russian man named BOWIED. He's been working on this little side project for quite a while now, and to be honest, he deserves a lot more credit than he gets, so show some love to him. Alright, so let's get this started. First things first, you want to download this application right here. It's a lot better than doing it by text file. It's what you had to do back in the day. Bunch of text file shit, that doesn't matter. I will put a little tab in the description of this right here. Send you to BOWIED's Discord, and you'll be able to download all the installations of this. Super simple, super fast, makes this a whole lot easier. Nice. So we have this super simple NPC here, very bare bones, didn't do anything else but set it up. So you want to make sure at first, couple bugs you might encounter: character ID. There might be conflictions, which means there's an already existing NPC in your server or single player that has this dialogue identification. Basically, NPCs all have their own IDs, just like items in the game. So you just want to create all that, put all that in there. Bowie made this super easy compared to what you have to do. So let's get this started. First things first, what you want to do is make sure you have a couple tabs here. I'd recommend 2, because what I'm going to demonstrate to you guys is a simple number generator of 1 through 6. So let's start this right now. I'm gonna, instead of saying give me a random number, I'm gonna say, hey, give me a number in between 1 and 6. So Jared's over here is going to calculate that and give us a random number, but to get there we have to do a couple of things here. So what this little rewards tab here does is whenever you click this dialogue option, it'll let you, or it'll give you a reward, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do alter flag value randomly, and a flag is basically something the NPC uses to store data. It is used in any other NPC, like quest, for tracking zombie kills, for tracking player kills, whatever. If you're following this guy, you should know at least what a flag ID is. Flag ID, bare bones. Let's go ahead and put this at, I'd say 300, 200. So we're gonna put this right here. We're gonna put 1 and 6. Super simple. Click assign here. What assign is gonna do is it's gonna assign the value. Instead of putting increment, this will add to that flag value. This is going to assign it. You should know what assign means. Alright, so now that we have that there, it's gonna randomly assign it. This real quick, next dialogue, it's gonna go to here. So this is gonna take a little bit of setup. There is no for example, if I were to do flag equals 300, you'd expect it to display the amount, the value of that flag is what I'm trying to say, but you can't do that. So we're gonna have to do something a little bit smart here. We're gonna have to go ahead and do your number is 1. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to copy and paste this. Goddamn. Sound like Mike Tyson out here. But we're gonna create 6 instances of this. Super cool because there's a little number feature right there. I know, Bowie outdid himself. So you're gonna want to have and copy all this down here. Make it all super simple. Number is 3, number is 4. Fuck, can't count. Terrible at this. Tired. Trying to get a tutorial out there because no one else wants to do this. So once we're all done with that, this is the bare bones idea. I know it might sound pretty inconclusive to do this, and it might sound tiring to do this, but I've created blackjack NPCs before, and I had to do this for 21 times. Once you're done with all this, don't even worry about nothing else. You'll have this all here. We'll put conditions and then flag value short, and we're gonna go ahead and put that same flag value you put in as before right there. So if it says your number is 1, you want to put 1 there, and you want to click allow unset. So allow it to be unset, for example. So we're gonna continue this from now on and do the same numbers, just replacing that. There's a little copy feature right here you can click. It might not seem like it, but it is. You can click the clipboard option, bring that up, put that in, save condition, exit out of that. So I'm gonna do this for all. Alright, cool. So now that that's all done, I have all the tabs set up. I have everything there that I need to do. Has everything in there. Make sure you click allow unset. Will not work. The logic here depends on what you want. Totally up to you. You're in control of your NPC. So this is the bare bones. Literally, you click this right here. Give me a number, and it'll give you a fucking number. It's as simple as that. So we're gonna be like, hey, thanks, fuckface, right? And I will be right back. I'm going to load this into the game. Go to File, Export NPCs to Unturned. You're gonna have to save it first. Let's go ahead and say, it's gonna save it as NPC tutorial. Save it as whatever. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna click Save Project just because I'm a little bit paranoid. Export to Unturned, and I will be right back as I load it. Now that we have block game open, here's what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to go to edit. If you haven't created any before, you might want to create one. I usually have a couple NPC places to test them out on, different things, whatever. It doesn't fucking matter. You're gonna go in here, go to objects, and what you put as your NPC name over here, the editor name, that's gonna be the name. So I'm gonna put that there, right there, perfect. Bang. Save, exit. I'm gonna go ahead, check this NPC out, because it is a cool NPC. So I'm gonna click this, has text here. I'm gonna ask him to give me a number. He's gonna give me 5. I'm gonna click this again, gives me 1. I'm gonna click this again, gives me fucking 2. Again, guess what? Bang, random ass number. No, that's, I have everything set up here. Everything that you need to do, set up, condition. Make sure they're all there. We're gonna want to go to rewards, add reward, and then we're gonna alter flag value. We're gonna go ahead and put our flag value, which I put as 300, and then we're gonna put the value as 2. Whatever we're gonna do. This time we're gonna go increment. So this is going to add 2 to the current number that we see over there. So we're going to go ahead and save the reward. We're going to close out of this. I'm going to re-export this to Unturned. The warnings, this recursive call, it doesn't matter. It just means that it's going to be going back to the same page. I will see you back in Unturned. Alright, now we're going to talk to him. Give me a number, add 2. Bang. Oh my god, I can add 2 again. 7. I'm gonna click that again. It's gonna break because I didn't do anything other than all the way up to 8. So basically, the more you keep going, the more numbers you can go up to. It's very simple. Just follow the same thing. Um, yeah, same thing works with subtraction. It goes all the way down to the number you already made. Um, there's a lot of other features you can do with flags, but this is a very basic tutorial. It should not taking you that long to make. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try and answer them to the best of my abilities. Yeah, I can also do a bunch of other tutorials if anyone ever needs it. BOWIED's community Discord is really good since it has a bunch of free templates you can look over and learn from. But other than that, that's all I got for you today, guys. That is very simple flags. And best of luck on you on your NPC adventure, man.